Okay, hi, it's Wendy. I'm back. Got it done. It took a little bit because I found a couple mistakes that I had to fix. So this is the cover. I just used the stickers that were with it. Kept it very simple. Put the cook on the side so people know it's a recipe album. On the inside, I kind of kept this plain because there's going to be some large recipe cards that go in here. And I left this plain. Something I'm going to add to this is maybe right in here I can fit a conversion chart. We'll see. I did add a border on this side here and just a little bit of a border here because of the pocket. I could put something on the pockets. So, I started out with the reverse waterfall. You can see very simply decorated. Again, here's the expanded pocket. There's the diagonal pockets. Glue hoovers. There's the window pocket. And then we go to the expanding pocket. I fixed it. What I discovered I was doing wrong was when I was putting this together, I shouldn't have laid it flat and done it. I should have left it folded and then put it together because then it lays right. As you can see, I got the Velcro on there. Okay. Got the side pockets and the crossover pockets. Got these two. Got a clear pocket. And then I end it with another reverse waterfall. So I'm going to get the cards made to go in this and get ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, let me know and I can clarify if I wasn't clear enough. And hope you enjoyed it. I have two 3-inch binders. I'm going to do one of them is not the D-ring, one of them is the round one. So that should be interesting to do. So, hope you enjoyed it. See you later.